up, Team DMS? It's a Master Stylist, and I am back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to be doing I don't even know, it's really not a review because I probably ain't coming back to give no update. But I guess, I don't know. Hold on, let me get it out the pack. And I didn't take it out the pack because I always forget where I buy these wigs from, because I buy them and then I hold on to them. And then by the time I do the video, I forgot where I got it from. Sorry, that's my phone ringing. And so I left it in the pack so that I can see where I got it from. But this unit actually came from Sam's Beauty. And oh, this has the fake scalp. So I already know that I'm gonna take the scalp out because I hate fake scalp wigs. They just don't do right. And I'm also trying on a color that I've never tried before, which is very different for me. But here it is. And I'll go ahead and take it out the pack and see how she looks. The name of this unit is Danita. It's a 3x4 hand-tied lace wig. And I guess it has where you can part it different ways. But y'all know I'm a middle or side part girl, and that's it. Y'all, I am so nervous about this unit because I have never worn this color before. So this is gonna be really, really, really interesting. Oh, I'm so scared. So this is how the unit looks. Yeah, so if you can see, you can kind of see the fake scalp. So I'm just going to take that hoe out. It has, you know, the usual, but I'll show y'all anyway. We got the 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, and adjustable strap. And then it also has additional adjustable straps in the back, which I always have to use those and make it tighter because I don't have a big head. I have a big face, but my head is small, so. Ooh, girl. So I'm gonna get started with cutting this lace out, well, this fake scalp out, and then I'll be back. So not only did I rip the fake scalp, I ripped the whole fucking lace. So y'all, I don't even know if this is gonna work no more. Damn. So today is just one of those days that I'm just not myself. And it's not even about the wig, because I have 1,000 of them. I mean, it was my Valentine's Day hair, and unfortunately, none of our local beauty supply stores have these type of units, so I can just wear something that I have. But this is just like the icing on the cake to my day, so I'm not gonna let this get to me, or try not. I'm gonna throw it in the trash, go find a unit that I can put on right now, and I'm going to restart my day. So I have dropped Aiden off to get a haircut. Troy is picking him up. I guess we're gonna get something to eat or something. Y'all see, I ain't even got no lipstick on. I don't even care. Like, I don't know. I think what really started it, I did a photo shoot. I just hate the pictures. It doesn't look like me. It looks like, I don't know. My friend said it looked like I got Botox. I won't be inserting the pictures, so don't ask. And then tomorrow's Valentine's Day, which y'all will probably get this video probably tonight, which is the day before. I don't want to ruin y'all Valentine's Day with my sadness. My mom was killed on Valentine's Day when I was 7 months. She was, I think, raped and strangled to death. And although I really didn't get a chance to physically, you know, meet her, like, I don't remember anything from 7 months. Hell, I don't remember nothing from being 2 years old. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I always just feel so sad around this time. And then along with my PMDD, look that up if you don't know what that is. So along with just suffering from that, and that I'm in that cycle right now, I don't know. I guess I always have that, you know, what if thing. Like, what if she was still here? You know, what kind of relationship we would have had, or I don't know. It's different when you know, when people take that away from you. It's something that I could never get back, and I'll never be able to experience. Adopted mom, she's always been like a bitch. Never really was loving. I don't ever really remember hearing like I love you, or just giving me a hug or a kiss or anything like that. So yeah, I do get a little emotional around Valentine's Day, and I am. And then shit just ain't working out. Like, that wig I was finna, and I had, you know, tested it. I'm like, okay, this wig probably would have been cute on me, but whatever.
Best thing order?
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger, kids meal, no onion or pickles?
Would you like apple fries or extra fries?
Extra fries.
For the drink?
Sprite.
Okay, anything else?
No, that's it.
Next order, please.
Hello. Y'all done? Damn, that was fast. I might as well get out of line. I was in line at McDonald's. I'm hungry. Like, I'm real hungry. So y'all, I didn't get my McDonald's, of course. So we came to Lenora's for some pizza. Worst vlog this morning. So now I am a little cold and I haven't had my coffee today, so we finna get us some Starbucks. And then I'm gonna take my niece, her little birthday gift, and go home. Home, home, home. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hello. With soy milk?
You can get a refresher.
Do you want the whipped cream flour?
Thank you. It's a little Valentine's Day gift. Excuse my nails. My nail tech was ignoring me to redo it. And some lip balm. So, y'all, I have had a long day. Well, we went everywhere. I didn't vlog like I should have because I just forgot. Because I don't really vlog like that. So yeah, I'm tired. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so I'll try this again. And I might even go live with y'all tomorrow. I don't know. Alright. If y'all like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Ring that bell to get notified for future uploads. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.